Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have a electric bubble machine and here is the package. Let's unbox this. I ordered the black one, but they gave me the golden one. Anyway, and this is the bubble water. And here we have a pot for pouring the bubble waters. And this is the gun. And the gun looks quite good, not gonna lie. And this is very handy. And there you can see the motor and the fan for blowing the bubble. Now let me put the cells for turning on the bubble gun. Although there is a screw is missing, but no worries. Oh no, the gun is broken. You can hear a sound from a motor. So I'm just unplugging the gun so that I can see if I can fix it. Or oh no, it is broken. You can see a broken part under the table. This is that. So as it is broken, I have to return it. So I'm not gonna opening the bubble water. So instead of that, I'm using soap and water. Just like shampoo and water. As the gun is broken, I have to use it like upside down, which is not that cool, so I have to return it. And today's shout out to Ramesh Kumar Gupta 9660 for like and a nice comment. And yes, we are only 3 subscribers away to hit 200 subscribers. Can we guys please do this? Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys like this review of this electric bubble gun, although it is broken, but you can see the bubbles. So bye.